My hair is all types of crazy. We are gonna go outside and play after I make this video. It is 57 degrees, which is, it's warm. I think it's warm. It's good playing outside weather. I'm so excited because next week we're getting a swing set installed, like a huge swing set for the kids. I'm so excited. It's like one of the big wooden ones. I will probably show it on my vlog channel. Poshmark Q&A. Here we go. Okay. Before we get into this, because I only have like a couple of questions, but they weren't enough to fit into my last video because my last video was kind of long. Anyway, I wanted to tell you guys about a new feature that Poshmark has. You guys know when I use my hands, I get excited. My hands moving, mama's excited. Okay, so when you go, oh my gosh, I'm making a lot of sales today. This is great. When you are first listing an item, you can do this, or on stuff that is already listed, you can do this. So if you go into edit, look down here, I'm not gonna point because my nails are horrendous, but see where it says suggested price? What does it say? $12 to $25. These are for they're for Zara jeans. They're just Zara raw hem skinny jeans, size 4. The suggested price is $12 to $25. My listing price is $26. But if you tap on that, it brings up sold comps. What? That's amazing. It's amazing. What are the sold comps? 18, 12, 18, 18, 19, 8, 25. Okay, Vanessa, maybe I should have looked at these before you listed them. Before I would look at sold comps before I listed things, but now you can do it as you're listing it. It's so simple, but it's great. And I feel like it's something that should have been there all along. You know, I think I've compared Poshmark to Apple before. I love Apple. I mean, I have a freaking Apple tattoo on my hand. I love Apple products, but I feel like they're a company that they had the potential to come out with great things, but they like release features on these great things not all at once. Like it's gradual, you know? Like how long did it take for the iPhone to have the capability of being able to do messaging, like send a picture message? Do you guys remember? I don't know if you guys are old school iPhone users, but I got the first iPhone the day it came out. It was back in June, I want to say like June 27th of 2007 or June 29th of 2007. Anyway, I got it when it first came out, and it took a while for you to be able to send a picture in a text message. Like, why? Why couldn't that have just happened when the phone first came out and you could text message and send pictures? I don't know. Anyway, I've compared the two before. I feel like Poshmark is like Apple in that sense, that they come out with these like simple features like this. Like they just randomly come out with them. Like at PoshFest, they announced a lot of features. Oh, what the fuck? They announced that you would be able to delete bundles, but you still can't do that. You still, like, you could delete empty bundles, but you still can't do that. And PoshFest was when? When was PoshFest? I don't remember. October? Was it like December? And they said, oh, you'll be able to delete empty bundles. I'm like, yes, because I have a fucking shit ton of empty bundles, but that feature still hasn't been released yet. Or maybe it has and I'm unaware. But no, I don't think it has. I don't think it has been released. Let me check. Released. I can't friggin' talk today. All right, hold on. Let's see. Let's go to my bundles, my shopping bundles. Because, like, I put things in bundles and then, I don't know, like I change my mind or I can't get what I want for them and then I end up deleting the items from the bundle. But then you have all these friggin' empty, okay, well, those aren't. But yeah, look, okay, well, see, we got them here and there. But look, empty bundles. Like, why can't I delete them? Let me see. If I go to filter, you can filter by empty bundles, but there's no like deleting. Maybe if you go to view my bundle up at the top. No, there's no way to delete it. Like, why haven't you come out with that feature yet, Poshmark? Why? Like, why? You told us friggin' months ago, but we can't do it still. Like, I don't get it. All right. Anyway, let's get into the questions. I've rambled on long enough. Okay. I only have a couple, so, you know, this is good. My rambling and okay. This question is from Kristen. She says, have you sold an item on 2 different platforms at the same time? What do you do when this happens? So I've already answered you, Kristen, but I'm going to answer you in this video too. And so yes, I have. And what do? Well, I go like 99% of the time, I'll go with the person that paid the most for it. Because, you know, I want to make the most money, obviously. But I won't screw someone over. You know, like if somebody buys something from me on Poshmark in the morning and then maybe I don't get around to deleting it on Mercari and it sells on Mercari in the afternoon, you know, I won't there has to be like a short time frame between the two sales, even if the person on Mercari purchased it for more, you know, does that make sense? So yeah, that's what I do. Which some people don't agree with that. I remember on Clubhouse there was a conversation about that, and they're like, no, you should always honor the person that purchased it first. It's like, okay, yeah, that's the nice thing to do, obviously, yeah, but I'm running a business. I want to make money, you know, like if there's like a short time frame between the two sales, you know, I'm gonna go with the one that purchased it for the higher price. Again, running a business here. Next question. I'm new to buying on Poshmark. I made an offer and she countered. It went back and forth and my last offer was not accepted, denied, or countered. So I wait the 24 hours and then I'm able to make another offer. So I offered her best counter from previous and nothing. I'm assuming I just ticked her off. Is there a way to send a private message, or do I just figure I'm not getting the purchase? Hope this makes sense. Okay, so that's happened to me actually. And so there's no way to private message her. You can comment on, was it a bundle, did you say? No, so it wasn't a bundle. So you can add that item to a bundle and then you could comment on that bundle, but just don't comment any personal information because it is public. Again, if you didn't know this, if you're new here, if you're new to Poshmark, bundle messages are not private. There is no private messaging system on Poshmark, which is annoying because every other platform has that feature, and I think it's a vital feature to have to be able to communicate with your buyer privately. You know, Poshmark pushes like, oh, it's your business, run your business. It's like, okay, but I can't talk to my customers in private. Like, what the hell? So yeah, so you could do that. And what else? Oh, you said you waited 24 hours, and you made, yeah, so I that's happened to me before. You know, I was going back and forth with someone. You can wait the 24 hours, or again, like I said, you can change the size of the item and then that offer is gone and you can send a new offer, and I did that. And then that's happened to me many times actually, and people have purchased it, people haven't. So it's kind of, I don't know, it depends on the person. You know, I just message her and be like, hey, you know, I'm trying to get a deal, but I will go with your last counter. And hopefully she'll understand. If not, wasn't meant to be. You can probably find the item elsewhere on Poshmark. Okay, and the last question. Is this a question? Is this a question? I think. Yes, it is. Okay. Hey, Vanessa, I love your YouTube channel. Thank you, Amy. I am really loving the Posh sharing tool. It is so fast and mindless. Do you think we will get carpal tunnel from all the clicking? LOL. Probably. Probably. I was curious if you had any increase in sales using it. I was using a VA service before that cost $125 a month. Girl, tell me you weren't using Pretty Bone, because I feel like that's Pretty Bone pricing. Tell me you weren't. Tell me you weren't. I feel like my sales are slightly up. How about you, Amy? Her Poshmark closet is Yoga Girl Forever. I will link it down below. Check out her closet. I'm going to check out your closet, Amy. Okay, so yeah, I hope you weren't using Pretty Bone because, you know, they had a scandal. She was scandalous. I feel like she just dropped off the face of the planet too. Like she had the baby and then just, is she not doing her services anymore? Do people still use her? Are people still stupid enough to use her? If you don't know about the Pretty Bone scandal, it's, you can Google it. But basically she was charging people a shit ton of money. Sorry, I'm getting messages from people. I'm looking for a new nanny. Our nanny kind of just like up and quit on us on freaking Easter morning, which was wonderful. Thank you for that. So basically she was charging people a shit ton of money each month, and come to find out she was using bots. Like she was legit ripping a shit ton of people off, because I know a shit ton of people use her service. So yeah, she got caught because there was just a whole scandal going on. You can Google it. So what was your question? Yes. Okay. Yes. I think we're going to get carpal tunnel, seriously, because woo, a lot of clicking. And yes, I have seen an increase in sales for sure. And I've seen an increase in my productivity because I'm not spending a lot of time sharing. Mama, what, honey?
I have the super bats and you must come and look.
Did you guys hear that? What did she do, Emmeline?
I will tell you when we get upstairs.
Oh no! I gotta go. I gotta see what super bad thing Abilene did. I will keep you guys posted and let you know. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I gotta go see what my 2-year-old did. Wish me luck. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.